Hi, I'm Naomi, and today I'll show you how to make baby shower invitations with Paperless Post. First, go to paperlesspost.com and log into your account or sign up. Then, choose a category you like under Baby. Whether you're hosting a traditional baby shower or a specialty shower like a sip and see or baby sprinkle, we have you covered. Next, filter hundreds of invitations by gender, theme, season, and more. Once you've selected a design you like, start customizing your font style, colors, background, stamp, and liner until it looks just right. Then, add the host name and the party's date, time, and location so all the important details are front and center. Pick from our page styles to make sure every part of your invitation is just as cute and cohesive as the shower itself. To help with your planning, ask guests questions to gather responses on anything from dietary restrictions to favorite baby shower games. You can also send additional details with helpful blocks to keep your invitation clean and organized. Perfect for celebrating parents-to-be, a registry block is a great way to share links with your guests to any baby shower registry. Now, let's invite guests. You can add contacts one by one, upload a spreadsheet, or add them from your address book. Preview your baby shower invitation or send yourself a test version via email or text to make sure everything looks perfect. Then, send your invitation through our site via email or text, or post a shareable link with a custom URL on the social platform of your choice and let the RSVPs start rolling in. Follow up with your guests with either a private or broadcast message to confirm any pre-party details, or thank them for coming once the special day is done. Have a question about making baby shower invitations with Paperless Post? Feel free to contact our customer operations team with any questions. See you next time!